Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sancheng. I'm a Taoist teacher and I'm a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine. For many years, I have helped people get well. I work with three special ways. First, I use some needles to take away pain. Second, I make better bones straight and right with my hand. Third, I teach people how to guide their breath and mind. I use these ways to make your body and mind blessed and straight. I started the channel today to give this old series to you. Here you have learned to true way to keep your whole body healthy. You will learn how to make your inner partner grow. If you want a better and healthier life, please follow and subscribe to me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.